using Phoenix, but importantly, a good product needs to be able to teach people how to do it as well. Okay, so naturally, I recorded up all the steps, did everything I could, and then I sent it over to James to see what he could do with it. And here's a quick look at what James was able to do with Phoenix as well.
Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the results that I've used in the Phoenix Reloaded method. Now, in terms of, just full transparency, last year I did over 7 figures in affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus, and that doesn't include anything I've done on ClickBank. It doesn't include any other affiliate platforms out there that I've had success on. This is just purely Warrior Plus, and I'm going to quickly show you some of the stats that I had. Now, in comparison to what I've done in Phoenix 2.0 back in March, where I did 50,000, last month, in the last 30 days, I did 103,000 in just 30 days. Now, this is the stats from all last year in 2021, as you can see, January through to December 31st. And, last year was pretty surreal, and probably the majority of the success from last year came through the Phoenix Reloaded method and the improvements that we've made. Now, in terms of the wallet, I'm just going to quickly show you the activity inside my wallet, and we're just going to quickly go to here, and I'm just going to go deposits, withdrawals. So as you can see here on my TransferWise, these are withdrawals made, real withdrawals over the last 6 months alone. So these are just withdrawals going directly into my bank account. And this will allow you just to show the proof that there are withdrawals. Everyone knows what TransferWise is. There are withdrawals out there. And I just want to say a big thanks to Mark for being able to show me this method. Because to be honest, without this method, I wouldn't be generating the results that I've been able to contribute last year or even in the last 30 days. So guys, if you haven't done it yet, grab onto it. It's definitely an awesome method, and it's been life-changing for me. So thanks very much, and cheers.
All right, sweet. Cheers, James. As you can see, guys, from the results that James is getting, as well as looking at a few of the testimonials below on this page that are all 100% real, you can see that we know what it takes after years of experience to put out a product that's simple enough to teach people to get success. It really is as simple as that, okay? And Phoenix, like I said, was built because of my hate for my situation, okay? It's built for you people that want more out of life, okay? It's built for people that aren't happy with just sitting in their day job with debt racking up, It's built for people that want more time and money freedom, okay? That's what it's about. Once upon a time I used to care about, looking rich and all that type of thing. Nowadays, especially as I get a bit older, it's about the security and the freedom that a guaranteed income source like this gives me and allows me to, just, if a bill comes in, do it, pay it, it's done, it doesn't matter, okay? That's what Phoenix is about, and that's exactly who I built the product for, okay? So look, guys, quick recap. Phoenix is a simple affiliate marketing system, okay? Built out of a hate for losing everything and built with a need to have a system that just works, okay? This is what I do full time now. I need something that pays the bills every single day, every single week, okay? And, provides for my family. And the system, okay, was built very simply. Inside, you're going to see a series of videos, okay? Do this, do that, okay? It's simple enough that a 10-year-old could do it. And that's the beauty of a system, okay? It doesn't need to be crazy complicated for something to make money, okay? Combine a silly, simple system with the power of the internet, which is like having a shop open 24/7 around the clock with millions of people around the world interested in what you have for sale. Get those people over across, you start seeing affiliate commissions roll in, hourly, every minute. Once you start seeing it, you'll really understand the power of it, okay? So, look, naturally, guys, we've shown you all the proof. We've got everything there in front of you. This is legit. It's live proof for what we're doing right now. It's working as we speak. Naturally, though, some people are a little bit concerned, and we like to back up our results, okay? So if you jump in, give Phoenix a try, and it doesn't work out for you for whatever reason, Naturally, we've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you literally have nothing to lose, but you have a serious income source to gain by using Phoenix. Okay, so look, like I said, it comes down to this is for you if you're really tired of your situation, okay, like I was. This is for you if, you're looking for a little bit of extra money freedom. Look, let's be frank here. We're successful marketers, yeah. If you even, did a quarter of the results that we're getting, you're still looking at a serious amount of extra income per month. Now, I don't know about you. Like I said, they say money isn't everything. Money can't buy happiness. But I'll tell you what, I've been both sides. I've been broke. I've been wealthy. I know which one I prefer. Okay. So look, guys, Phoenix is priced at just $12.95, under $13. Okay. We priced it that way so that anybody that is struggling can get in and grab this. Okay. Especially just coming out of the COVID period. A lot of people have lost their jobs. That happened to my wife as well at the Brisbane airport. She lost her job there as well because of COVID. We know a lot of people around the world are struggling with this situation, okay? The beauty for me and in my life is I have Phoenix, guys. It doesn't matter what's happening around the world. When something like this happens, it actually goes better for our business. So that's what I want for you, okay? I want you to have the ultimate time freedom, money freedom. I want that security in your life as well. That's why I created this product for you, okay? So, guys, $13, you're going to waste $13 on something stupid this week anyway. You may as well pop in, have a look at Phoenix, and see whether it's going to be exactly what you've been looking for, okay? So, guys, that's about all I have, okay? I want to say, again, a massive thank you for jumping in. Look, the ball is in your court now. It's up to you to make a decision whether yay or nay. For $13, I know what decision I'll be making. So look forward to seeing you on the inside. Cheers.